Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you step by step how to withdraw money from your Nsave account to your local bank accounts. The first thing you should do is to make sure your app is updated. So I'm using a Play Store. Search for Nsave. So open. So now you need to switch the account you have funds in. Maybe you have funds in on GBP. So, but first you need to, if you want to withdraw it to a local bank, let's say Nigeria, you need to change this first to from GBP to USD, and the minimum is 10. The minimum is 10. So you need to exchange it from GBP to USD. So after that, come back to USD here. Then you click on transfer here. Click on a new transfer here, and you select the country. That's Nigeria. Select Nigeria. That's NG. And you put the amount here. Any amount you want to withdraw here. But I'm withdrawing all, that's max. And I click on add recipient details here. Yeah, you need to add the first name, the last name, and account number and bank accounts here. So add the name here, the name of the account number, the first name, then the last name. Add the account number here. Select the bank or see all the bank here. So search the bank here. I'm using Pay. So create contact here. Click here. Confirm recipient here. Click here. Yeah. What is this transfer for? You can add anything here, gifts or anything you want to add here, or transfer category here. Add anything here, P2P, goods purchase, just anything. Select anything and continue. Yeah, just review your transfer here. Make sure everything is correct. This is the amount you are withdrawing, and that's you are transferring. The exchange rate here. Included fees here, they are charging you 0.5 minimum. Any transfer below 39 USD, they are charging you 0.5. So the amount is 6,598.94. So, and the estimated delivery will take 5 minutes to 1 day here. So just sweep to confirm here. Yeah, you need to add your PIN. The PIN you are using in Nsave. So add your 4-digit PIN here. Okay. As you can see, it's in progress. So you need to wait for about 5 minutes, and you can also check your bank to confirm it. So let's check. Go to your transaction history. And this was the transaction here. So as you can see, the money have been deposited into my bank account within 1 minute. As you can see, already successful. And again, for clarity purpose, on this transfer, if you are transferring any amount below 39 USD, they will charge you below 39 USD, they will charge you 0.15 fees. So, and any amount more than 39, that's, let's say 40 now, from 40 USD now, you won't be charged any fee for withdrawal. That's how you can withdraw money from your Nsave to your local bank accounts. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and drop your question in the comment section. See you in the next video.